I'm Greg Marks. I'm up here at Manatee Ear Center today with Denise Parrish, and I came in probably about 8-9 months ago with raging tinnitus in my ears, particularly on one side. And I asked Denise if there was anything we could do about it, and she came up with several different recommendations, and we finally settled on a device made by Oticon, the Alta2, I think they are called, the Oticon Alta2s. And these little guys have made the biggest difference in my life. They are fantastic because they allow me to hear better in crowded rooms like bars and parties. You can hear people, isolate on people a lot better than I used to be able to in the past. But what is most amazing about these is the masking program. She has 4 different programs in it, and just by pushing a little button on the back of the device, I can go from ocean sounds, I can go to what they call nature sounds, different noises like white noise and pink noise, and she can modulate it too, so it sounds like a wind coming. And that is so soothing because what it does is it's masking the tinnitus, and once you get your mind off the tinnitus, you relax more, and it's just made and then once you start relaxing more, then it starts, the tinnitus isn't as noticeable. Bottom line is it made an incredible difference in my life. And if there are people that suffer from tinnitus out there listening to this, I encourage you to see your audiologist specialist to see if it would make the same kind of difference to you as it has to me.